I'm back.
Hello, hunties. How y'all doing today? I know I'm 2 weeks off my game. I've been struggling with sleep for the past 2 weeks, and I haven't been really, and my allergies are killing me right now, guys. You gotta bear with me. I'm like about to sneeze right now, but I found this to be a great opportunity to actually do my video because my allergies are killing me, and so some of these sneezes may be real. But today, if you just didn't figure out what the video was about, I asked my Instagram, if you have me on Instagram, I'll put that right here. But if you have me on Instagram, 2 weeks ago I took a poll to see what you guys wanted to see next, and you guys asked to see different sneezers, so different types of sneezers. So that's what I'm gonna give y'all today. Plus, I find it a great time to do it because sneezing. See, I'm about to sneeze right now. Anyway, with further ado, we're gonna get into this video. Oh God. I was at my grandma's house and I was feeding a cat and hold on. This water show do look good. I just came from a nice little run, and this is a well-deserving. That's so cold. That's so cold. Oh, that's so cold. Alright, so that's about it for this video. I thank you for watching. If you watched all the way through, comment the moon emoji, one of the moon emojis, your choice. And yeah, I want to know if you guys watched all the way through. Also, feel free to check out my social media. I'll put it in the link below. I'll put it in the description box below, and I'll also put some of it on the side. I'm gonna try and excuse me, edit some things and put them on the side there. Not only that, but if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you already haven't. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.